So today I wanna change this cross-country binding. I got this cross-country used one, but binding this style is very old style. So I don't know where can I get it, but I got the cross-country shoes for the NNN binding. So I got the NNN binding for cross-country ski. So I gonna replace this old style binding. So let's see how it works. Let's take out first the screw. Just come out. Looks like a glue. Looks like glue on it. I see there is one more. This come out, but there is one more. One more. There's more screw. So just coming out. What is in here? Glue. Put the glue on it. So let me check new binding. Hopefully this screw hole is correct, otherwise I'm gonna make another screw hole. Let me check it out. Oh my goodness, this is lucky. Looks like this is a standard, standard hole. Hole is fit. This is a lucky shot. This is a lucky shot. Just I need to make another screw hole for this. That's it. Haha. This is great. Looks like a screw hole is universal. I don't need to make another screw hole. So it will be easy installation. Easy installation. So point is now same. This is the same screw thickness or not? So basically I can use all the screw also. But looks like same screw. I think same size thickness. This is the same thickness. This is easy installation. So let's decide how I'm gonna set up. Basically this screw hole need to fill up. So this is correct. My shoe size. I think this one is like this. If I match previous hole, will be too short. Too short. Binding is will be too short. So this hole probably I'm gonna use with this. I think this distance. This will be correct. This will be work. So that means I gotta make another screw hole. So basically previous hole I don't need, so I need to cover up with screw, but has tapping, so I need a countersunk. There's a countersunk to make a big hole. So basically any glue you can use, but there is Gorilla glue, and I have shoe glue and epoxy glue. Actually you better use epoxy glue because this is a fiberglass, but I'm gonna use this simple Gorilla glue. covered up the previous hole. This is a very simple mechanism. You can see this binding is very simple mechanism. Let's feed up the glue. I think that's it. $64. $9.64 in the middle. So let's put it in like this. I gotta make new hole. Got it. That's it. That's it. I think this is it. Just wait for the dry. This is the way to change the binding. Looks like cross-country ski inner core is basically foam, so screw is not binding well, so put a lot of glue inside me. That's it. This is the way to change the binder. Basically, this cross-country ski is inner core is foam, outer core is fiberglass. So basically, when you make a screw, don't make a big screw hole. This is a way to change cross-country binding. So this is a way to change a cross-country binding. Thanks for watching. Enjoy cross-country.